folks. Hi, this is Greg, and I'm here with my daughter Chloe. Hey, hi, Chloe.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing a wonderful thing called unboxing. And so pretty much what we're going to do is, well, I have a scene here, as you can see, and that's not important right now. This scene, whatever it is, it looks pretty interesting, but this is not what we're looking at. This is just something that happens to be here. So anyway, let's just move this and clear this out right here. What we have is a package. And so we have a package right here. And what we're going to do, we're going to have our good friend Grimlock here go ahead and grab this package. And he's going to magically grab this package and pull it with him to the location that he's going, because, you know, he's going to just go ahead and do that. And so here it is. And then... And who is this person here? Chloe?
This is Penny.
Penny! Okay, that's wonderful. Penny shall be here to help with the unboxing as well. So, well, I don't have a, what do you call it? I don't have a, you know, wrapped up in a kind of a, what do you call it thing, but I, like a present. So, but it's wrapped up in a package, and the package I got this at Target, and I got it on sale, and I was really happy. And so here's we go. So, Chloe, go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Okay, go ahead and pull it. Put this way. Go ahead and just go ahead and grab it, and pull it out. No, on that side, yeah. Good. Alright. What we have here is... Can you see this, everyone? You can't see it. Look at this. This is... It's him. Did we say his name? It's him. Everybody know who this is him? It's Grimlock. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually open it up, because you know what? Life is too short to be wondering about whether or not you're going to keep your toys on the shelf forever. So let's go ahead and open this jammy. So, let's see. Got this jammy on sale. And usually I would keep it in pristine condition, but right now I just don't care anymore. And it's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur robot. We all know Grimlock. There's a whole bunch of history behind him, and we're not here to hear about history. We're here to play with this toy. And since we have the Grimlock, here you go, Chloe. Go ahead, take him out. Open this right here. Alright, wait. Make sure it's done. Okay, I'll use the scissors again. Alright. And it is out. The Grimlock is out. Alright. So, let's save this wonderful box so we may be able to put it back in it. So, what we have here is Grimlock. It's a Grimlock. Like, that's not me. But you know, it never said it had that voice in the Michael Bay. Good job, Lucky. Never had the Grimlock voice in the Michael Bay videos of the Grimlock, me Grimlock, and so that was always so sad just to hear that. But here we have. Let me move the camera just a little bit so you can see a little better. Go off a little bit. Oh yeah, so there you have it. It's Grimlock with Grimlock. And here, Lucky, can you open this one? Here.
I don't need scissors.
Here, Lucky, open this. Here, hold it and hold it in front of the camera, and open it. Come here, Lucky. Okay, so come here, Lucky, show in front of the camera. Where you can see the camera, right here. Put your hand right here, right about here. And we have... Oh, what's this? Oh, look! It's another Grimlock! Okay, cool. And we have here a nice little Grimlock.
There's that ball thing clear in there.
Little fireball Grimlock, that's right. That's right. So it's a Grimlock day.
Where's the button?
There's a button right there, mister.
Oh.
Okay, cool. So here we have this one. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get him free, and we're gonna transform him. Transform him.
And do that, guys.
Transform him. Here you go, Chloe. Do it. You grab some scissors. Go ahead and do that. I'll grab some scissors. Go ahead and do this. The Transformers. Miami's guys. The Transformers.
Yeah, do you know where
Robots
Owen
eat
is?
supplies. What happened?
Where Owen is?
Who?
Owen from Jackson.
I don't know where Owen is. He's somewhere. He's hiding in the house. Alright, don't take him out yet. Don't take him out yet.
Transformers.
Actually, it's time. We can take him out. Alright, so here goes. So, this is Grimlock. Oh, his one of his arm. Oh, I need the scissors again. Gotta cut his arm. Then we clipped it. But no, I guess we didn't. Good, right here. Clip it. Clip it right there, Chloe.
How do we miss that?
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, cool. Alright, here he is. Oh, snap.
Other Transformers.
Oh, snap. So we have his face is in the back. We have his face is in the back, his little robot face, and his arms. So let's see if we can transform him. According to the, I know he usually has the tail. It goes like that, and then you have it with the thing, and then this is the. Wait, no. That's his tail first. Yeah, tail, and then he goes. I try to do this without even looking. How do we do this? You know, probably you know. It's always good to try and figure out how to do this first, but then it's always good to know how to do this.
Yeah, can you open his chest?
Well, this is his legs. This is legs, and we know that this bends, but we're not sure exactly how it bends.
What's this?
Oh wait, it's okay. His hands, his arms. Oh my god, I don't know how to transform him. Wait. Okay, what, you gonna try it? Okay, good.
Maybe.
There's an instruction book somewhere around there.
Where does Grimlock's feet become, Dad? Where does Grimlock's feet become?
Oh, they show you how to transform him. Yeah, I'm one of those guys who reads the instructions. Why do you laugh? It is true.
Dad, where does Grimlock's feet go?
Boom! Instructions. Power of the prime. Grimlock. Yes, honey?
Where does Grimlock's feet go?
I don't know yet, mister. We have to look at the instructions. So come up, look here. So here's what we have here. These are the different instructions, how to put them together. Oh, look! The pieces. So first you got the arms, then you got the legs together, then it comes down. Okay, cool. So here it goes. Wait. So here it goes. The legs goes up, the tail goes back, and he twists, and his arms come down. Chloe, you can do it on the camera. Do it on camera so people can see what you're doing. Okay. Oh, wow. Alchemist Grimlock. Enhance the power of all the allied circuits. Alchemist.
His arms are so cutie.
Yeah, cutie and small. Oh, here's where his feet go, Lookie. His feet goes on his feet.
What?
It goes on the side of his feet. His feet. Wow, pretty good. Wow. Well, let's keep going with it. Let's see. Here.
Grimlock stomping. Yeah.
Wow.
That is a big Transformers robot in our bedroom.
Yeah.
It's red bedroom.
Big red one is the
Mm-hmm.
no, it goes on the side of his feet. But wait, let's see.
Dad, that's his tail.
Oh wow, look at this. This is pretty cool. Me, Grimlock, smash your brains. I need cake. Alright, let's see.
I
is this
won't
one?
give you my cake.
Why not? Cake is good. You know, it doesn't look like as nice as the one that we all loved and grew up with. It's like he's almost there, almost pretty, almost like, you know, but it's something that's just, he's not quite there. I mean, he's kind of pretty, but it's kind of it, really. I've seen this little robot. Where's the little robot head?
What?
Cookie, does it go? I think that's like supposed to be a claws or something. It goes on the side of his foot, and that's just weird. And okay, well, that's here. You have that there. Oh, volcanicus. Let's see, Grimlock, sludge, snarl, swoop. Okay, and I guess together it makes the face of volcanicus. All right, so cool. Here we have that. And here's the instructions for that. Oh,
ow!
Sorry.
Exactly.
Exactly. So we have 3 Grimlocks.
That's the fixed button from.
I don't know. It just feels like something's missing. What do you think? I don't know. I feel like his leg is all like super small.
His leg is a turdy turd.
Okay. Look, I'm recording. Oh no. Alright, see, so then there's. It's just.
What's the tiny head for?
It's just take this out for a second. So, Grimlock, how are you doing? Well, you look good. Can you stand up? Alright, so this is you, Grimlock, and this is the Michael Bay Grimlock. It's not silver, but the plastic one. And he's just kind of like, you know, and then there's a small Grimlock. It looks kind of like the thing Grimlock. So one big happy Grimlock family. There you go. There you have it. There you have it. So, and okay, well that's pretty much what we have for our unboxing. We have a Grimlock, and we have Grimlock with Grimlock. Do your arms move? Oh, his arms move. Okay, cool. So you rotate a little bit. Let's hope we don't break it. Alright. I feel like something's missing, like it didn't transform right or something. I guess it did. Versus. Alright. That's all we have for you today, ladies and gentlemen, in our unboxing series.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start.
Here is this. And this one we already had. This is Grimlock from our Dinosaur Candidates story. And then here we have the Grimlock. Wait, Chloe. And then we have Grimlock. That's looks like almost like the original Grimlock. It has the same face and facial features of Grimlock. There's a T-Rex and the Dinobots story line on Transformers. Versus.
A Grimlock versus that.
So who would win in a fight?
Grimlock.
The new Grimlock or the old Grimlock?
The big Grimlock.
Who would win? Him or him?
The big one.
Which is the big one? Him?
Yeah.
And most likely. How about this one? He could breathe fire.
I still don't know.
Not sure?
Yeah.
See, watch. He breathes fire. Breathes fire. Watch him as he breathes fire. Oh yeah, breathe that fire. Alright. So, okay, well, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Everybody say bye.
Bye. Bye.
I want to say a couple of things too. I was looking at this and it's pretty much, you know, I think there's one that I saw online that seemed a lot better, like the Grimlock online with the Instagram. Theirs looks so much better in terms of like how it is. It just seems like it's like a really kind of like it looks like it can break easy. You see the joints in here, the different joints. The joints can easily come apart. I'm not sure that it will, but it looks like it can. Like, you know, the kind of stuff. You know, the face and the neck, everything looks really well in terms of like the original Grimlock. You know, the way it looked. But there's just something. It's not shiny. I remember this part being like a shinier part, like the original. You know, and this also they put stickers underneath. So he has stickers under his tail, and it should actually come to a nice like piece here, one piece, and it breaks into little pieces. But it seems alright. But I mean, compared to the Michael Bay one, you know, the one that's Michael Bay, it has like such a wonderful like movement to it. You know, he can move his head, move his neck, and this one's been in like my Dinosaur Candid story, and I've been able to just kind of have that there, and just the way it looks, just I don't know, it just seems like the newer Grimlock looks better than the older Grimlock in terms of like dinosaur-like. Even the way his tail looks and stuff, you know, his tail. Look at this tail; it's beautiful. You know, I mean, I can't talk like that kind of thing because I know people are just really upset about like how things change, and so they want to keep things as much original as possible. And maybe they might just have this. I didn't ever see the Bumblebee movie yet, so I don't know what's up or what's new that's out there. But nevertheless, it's just you know, this Grimlock does not look like it could handle or take out a Grimlock. That Grimlock. It's like this Grimlock has more on it, but who knows, right? Who really knows? It just looks like it's there's little pieces to it that could you have to be very gingerly with this. So you know, just having it and taking care of it, you have to make sure that you don't put it through a rigorous process. You know, this one here could look like it can handle a lot of stuff. Like for example, the feet are detailed. You know, you got the Autobot symbol. You got even the face here, everything here. Even it's like the whole T-Rex aspect to it and bend the neck. It's like these were like that one is more like a tail dryer T-Rex, and this is more like the balanced T-Rex, you know, the ones that kind of floats and holds its own tail. So there you have it, and so I just wanted to share that real quick before I go. Alrighty, okay, bye. Thanks again.